What's up, guys? My name is Lennie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making fish tacos. I know what you're thinking. Calm down, calm down. Cheat meal. Okay, so we're gonna be using tilapia, cilantro, fajita mixes. Gonna be red peppers, onions, bell peppers, green onions, tomatoes, sour cream for your sauce, and some cheese. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I just got done chopping up all the ingredients. I got my bell peppers and onions and a little bit of spring onions. I got them sauteing right now. So while they're sauteing, I'm finna get started on my fish. So I'm gonna go in and cut right down the middle of the tilapia. You can cut to the side however you prefer, but this is what I like to do. Once I get that, like I said, you don't have to do this, but it's like what I like to do. Alright, so I'm gonna start seasoning my fish, guys. So I'm gonna start off with black pepper. Get it real coated, like some little salt. A little paprika on there for some color. You know, it don't taste like nothing. Just want a little color to it. Garlic powder. And onion powder. You know, repeat those steps when you flip the fish. So flip it over, do the same thing. Alright, so once you got this done, you're gonna prep it for the air fryer. I'm using air fryer, or you can put it in the oven, but to make it quicker, air fryer. Alright guys, now it's time to prep the air fryer. So one thing you gotta do to prep the air fryer is use olive oil, cooking spray, whatever you got, so it won't really stick to your air fryer. I'm just gonna place your fish in. See, now they nice and cozy. Now, time to start the air fryer. Alright, now when you put it in the air fryer, I normally run it at 400 degrees. With fish, 6 to 10 minutes. I usually check on it at 6 minutes. If it's cooking like I want it, got the same color like I want it, I'll take it out. But if I feel like it needs to go longer, I just let it go the whole 10. Alright guys, time to put this fish in. And fire up this air fryer. What I like to do, like I told you before, I like to put the temperature all the way up on 400, and I like to run between 6 to 10 minutes. So I'm already gonna set it at 10 first, but I'm gonna check it at 6 and see what I got. All right, y'all, it went past 6 minutes. We got 4 minutes left, but let me check it out real quick. Looks pretty good to me. I think they're done. All right, y'all. Fish is done. My onions and pepper are sauteed. My vegetables are cut. Now it is time to make the sauce. All right. So you're gonna use sour cream. I'm not making a lot, so I'm probably gonna use like 3 scoops of sour cream. And with this, I'm gonna season as I go with taste, right? Pepper, you can be kind of generous with the pepper, but with the salt, you gotta season as you go. So I'm gonna add the salt last. Lime juice, A couple of squirts of it. Same thing with the lemon. Maybe a couple of squirts of lemon juice as well. Alright. Now, we'll add a little salt. We'll add a little salt. We're gonna season as we go. So, alright, now we're gonna stir that, then we're gonna taste. Need a little bit more salt. And a little bit of lime wouldn't help. So, wouldn't hurt, my bad. So, gonna stir this up again. Quick stir. We in there. The last piece, just a little pinch of cilantro. Mix that in. Sauce is already bomb right now. Just adding this for a little extra flavor. Boom. All right, guys, now we made it to the fun part. We're gonna load up these tortillas and make us a taco. But before that, I usually load up my tacos, then I put them on the grill to make them nice and crispy on the outside. Then it reheats everything back up. Now, if you guys wanna go ahead and heat the tortillas because you don't wanna do that, feel free to do that. All right, let's get to it. So with the fish, remember when I cut them down the middle? I only use one per taco. So I use a slice like that. Don't really matter. Don't gotta be pretty. Boom. Right. Take it. I literally smush them together like that. Same thing with the smush it. And now you'll start dressing. These are my bell peppers and yellow onions. It's gonna give it an awesome taste. I'll get you some cilantro. Cilantro. Then gonna add a little spring onions. Not too much, but just enough. Tomatoes. Gonna add the sauce. The secret sauce. And this would be the time if you want to add refried beans or anything like that to it, you can do it. But I don't have any right now, so we're gonna keep rolling. All right, so add your lettuce. Boom. All right, now you're gonna add the cheese. Add as much cheese as you want to. It's your cheat day. So if you want to put pounds of cheese on there, you can do that. Not literally, but you can do what you want to do. Think that'll do it. All right. Think that'll do it. Now, time to get these on the grill. All right, guys, let's get these things on the grill. I usually point them like the inside, how you open the taco, like this, almost. So that way, if something do leak, it won't be too much drainage going on. You get all your flavor. I let that sit like that, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. After they're ready to go. All right, y'all, it's been about 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to get these things off the grill. Look at that. Nice and pretty. Let me get this grill out the way so y'all can see. All right, y'all, now it's time to taste this masterpiece. Delicioso. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all for watching my video. Hope y'all liked it. If y'all did, give me a thumbs up, like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Hey, Lennie.